Hi guys, it's Miss A. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with only glue. Looks like this. It kind of tears apart, but I've had this for a while and it did stretch a lot before. So let's get on to how to make it. You will need glue. It can be any type. So you'll just grab your stirring thing or your utensil and a mixing pot, and you'll get your glue. Mine's washable, it doesn't need to be washable. And you get it and you put some glue into your container. Yay! Like I've done there. And then that's literally all you have to do. You can mix it if you'd like to. And then all you need to do is leave it for 2 or 3 days and it's done. So I'll be back in 2 or 3 days. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is kind of what it looks like. Yeah, it did kind of get harder than it's supposed to because I left it for too long because I was at school. So there you go. Make sure to watch my video on how to do super simple slime for beginners. It's called Easy Slime. Only 3 ingredients. Still by me. Okay then guys, so bye!